Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see on how to make nappies for your babies at home. As a new mom, you must be very much worried on how to keep your babies dry all the time. So this method is suitable for a baby if you have a baby under 6 months. And also, doctors will suggest you to keep a track on how many times your baby pees or poops. If your baby minimum of 6 times a day, then the baby is taking sufficient intake. Babies can poop 7 times a day or once in 7 days. Both are normal. In order to keep a track on this method will be very much helpful for you than using disposable diapers or even cloth diapers. Disposable diapers and cloth diapers could cause rashes to a baby's delicate skin. For this method, you just need a piece of cotton cloth. You can either purchase this cloth from a running material or you can use your old dhoti cloth from your home. So this piece of cloth I have purchased from a white cotton running material and cut it into square shape, 25-inch length and 25-inch breadth. What you need to do is just fold the cloth into half from one end to the other end. And again fold the cloth into half. So here's the tricky part. You get a 4 piece of cloth like this. Just take the above layer and move it to the other end. So you get a triangle like this. Just flip the cloth over and start folding from one end till you reach the center. So now you get a thick line of cloth in the middle which will protect the baby's urine from coming out. Just place your baby here, fold it like this and make a knot. So once you wash the cloth, you have to fold it like this and keep it ready for the next time use. You can use any mild detergent like Surf Excel Blue, as even detergents could cause allergies to your baby's delicate skin. Just soak it in water, rinse it thoroughly and sun dry it to get all the stains removed from the cloth. And fold it immediately like this to keep it ready for the next time use. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe if you haven't already. If you need suggestion on any new topic, do let me know in the comment section below. Meet you guys in the next video.